Looking for the perfect Clockify alternative? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Clockify alternatives that can totally change how you track time and improve productivity. First up is Desklog, the advanced time tracking and productivity management software. Desklog offers real-time tracking, automatic timesheets, and project tracking tools, making it ideal for businesses that need deeper insights into team productivity. The best part is, Desklog does it all while keeping things simple and affordable. Next is Toggl Track, known for its user-friendly design and effortless time tracking. It's great for freelancers and small teams who need detailed time reports without getting lost in complexity. At number 3, we have Harvest. Harvest not only tracks time, but also makes it easy to create invoices and manage budgets, making it a favorite for agencies and consultancies. Coming in fourth is Hubstaff, a powerful solution for remote teams with time tracking, GPS tracking, and productivity monitoring. Hubstaff is perfect for businesses managing remote or field teams. And finally, Time Doctor, which is known for its detailed employee monitoring features. It tracks time, records website and app usage, and even captures optional screenshots, helping businesses maximize focus and accountability. Whether you need simple time tracking, detailed productivity, reports, or remote team management, these Clockify alternatives have you covered. Looking for a feature-rich, easy-to-use tool? Give Desklog a try today. Visit desklog.io to learn more.